Welcome to EA Sports live coverage of the Championship. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers against Norwich City.
Chin up. Scott McBeanie is... This is always the great moment. The ball's on the centre spot and we're all ready to go. Goal news from Middlesbrough.
It's a goal for Sheffield United. 2 minutes played, 1-0.
Thank you very much, Alan. He's looked to change the point of this attack. Ward, now he'll get it back again. Get it back again. Wolf. Nathan Redmond. Foley. The defenders come in well here. Timed his approach and got the ball. They've got to be careful with these early challenges. The referee's penalised that one. Goal news now from Derby.
Goal for Brighton and Hove Albion. It's been scored by Ashley Barnes. The attack seemed to have broken down, but a player on the ground...
Attacking now. Just a heavy touch, the opposition can take the ball away. He goes for goal with his head. Great head, great goal! Here, 1-0. Wolf. Wolverhampton Wanderers were disappointed in the end that they only came away with 1 point from their last game. It was a draw against Bournemouth.
Yeah, stalemate, 0-0. But the strikers have been practicing the shooting in the week. I think they'll get themselves through to a win here.
Off the post! McDonald! That's offside. The referee has stopped the play as soon as the flag went up. Offside given. Chipping away this side, the home team, haven't they? 6 points from their last 5 games.
Not what you call spectacular, but solid, and a basis to maybe kick on.
It's looking good, this move. But he couldn't.
Nice.
Close range chance. And goes for goal! Well, that is his so-called up. Here's a chance to attack. Real concern for the defender, just happy to get it away. Wolf, and the attacker coming away with help on either side. And that cross. Wolf. Straightforward for the goalkeeper. That's half-time at 1-0. First half has been quite tense here, reflected in the way the crowd has reacted, but they have seen... Wolf. Foley. Wolf, and the player working hard to stay in possession. Marquinhos. The ref might be thinking of doing a bit more than just giving the free kick. Vigilant refereeing here, that's a foul.
Well, you can't afford to get hold of a player like that because it's such...
Wolf. It's a good headed clearance. He read it and cut it out. Stephen Ward, he is the Governor-General of this team. Passed it, gets it back, passes it again, wants it back. He can lay it off to the supporting player. Sending off at Derby.
It's a red card.
Could be a goal. Got to be. Splendid goal here. there should be no way back for the other team. Well, that has made it 2-0. Some options now for the pass. Wolf. So the referee awards a free kick. Got the cross it, here he is with a chance. Oh, got in the way, great block. That's very well read, and that's a very good interception. Here's the shot. Wolf. Well, he's hit that from some distance. How well has he hit it? Brilliant goal.
It was simply unstoppable.
Shoot, shoot, shoot is his philosophy, and it pays off time and time again.
Well, he's known for his long-range shooting, and he didn't disappoint there.
From the moment he hit it, you can see he knew it was going in. And up on the scoreboard here, it says 2-1. And the player working hard to stay in possession. Ames. He is better than those performances have shown, surely he is.
Yeah, and I think the manager, rightfully so, he's given him another chance, but I've seen over the last couple of weeks, confidence has been low.
On to the attack now. Great hands from the goalkeeper. He's in at goal! Marquinhos. Stephen Ward. And it's passed back again. Committed himself here, there wasn't much cover. It's a chance! Oh, that's more like the goalkeeper we know than the one we've seen for the majority of this game. 2-1 the final score as the referee calls a halt, and that's the end of the game. 2-1, it's finished. Many mistakes today, but the ones they've made, they've paid a heavy price for.
Yeah, they have.